Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you about the English vowel sounds O and O. Let's start with the O sound. This is a short vowel sound and it is pronounced O. To produce this sound, put the tip of your tongue in the lower part of your mouth and the back part closer to your palate. O. And now, as you can see, O. My lips are slightly rounded and my jaw is open in order to produce this sound. Now try and repeat after me. O. O. Now, here are some words which have this sound. Lot, hot, stop, want. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat. Lot, hot, stop, want. Very good. In contrast with the O sound, the next vowel is a long vowel sound and it is produced as O. O. To produce this sound, put the tip of your tongue in the lower part of your mouth and the back part closer to the palate. O. O. Now, as you can see, my lips are not as rounded as before, and my jaw is only halfway open in order to produce this sound. Now try and repeat after me. O. O. Very good. Here are some words which have this sound. Thought, for, work, and door. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Thought, for, walk, and door. Very good. I hope you can hear the difference between these two sounds. For more information and exercises, there will be some links in the description. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below in the comment section. Finally, in the end of this unit, there will be an exercise video for you to practice. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.